Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to solve a famous Rubik's Cube. Alright, I'm going to scramble it. Okay. Alright, what we're going to, first step is going to get the white cross with each color lined up. Each color matched up with this pair. Alright, so we have a piece here, so we're just going to line it up already. So now we have that piece lined up with the two greens. And here we have a piece on the bottom, so line it up on the blue and just turn it twice. Now we have this piece lined up with the two blues. Find another piece. Here we go. The red one. In this case, when it's not on the bottom, you're going to put it underneath the same color, the middle piece. So this one's red, so you put it underneath the red middle piece, and we're going to get this piece right here. So the algorithm for this one is F prime, E prime, R, U. And now you have the white line up with the red. Alright, the last middle piece is underneath. So this one again is really easy. So if it's underneath, you just match it up with the other color and turn it twice. And there we go. We have the white cross with the colors all lined up with that. Okay. Now, once you have that, you're going to flip it over to the yellow side. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get the first layer of each color and get the white side. So to do that, you're going to find a white corner piece that does not have yellow on it. So this is the white, red, and green one. So for this one, we're gonna, green needs to go on the green side, so turn it to the green side. This piece needs to go here, so when the white is on the left side, you're gonna do L prime, U prime, L, and there's that piece that we just did, and it's down here now. Let's find another one. Here we go. This time it's on the right side. So we're gonna, this is blue, so we're gonna turn it to the blue side, so this piece needs to go here. And since the white's on the right side this time, we're gonna do R, U, R prime, and there's that piece. Here's another one, blue orange, so this is on the blue side again, so the white's on the left this time, so L prime, U prime, L. There's the piece. Alright, the last piece right here. So left side again. So orange piece needs to go here. Again, L prime, U prime, L. And there we go. And if you ever get stuck when you have a white piece on the top, for example, like this one. So if you have a white piece on the top, just bring it over to an empty space like this one and do R, U, R prime, and then you'll have it on the right side or the left side, so that then this needs to go out here, so R, U, R prime, and it's solved again. So now we have white side with green, red, blue, So we have the first layer done. Now we're going to do the second layer of each color. So for this step, you're going to find a middle piece, one of these pieces, that doesn't have yellow in it. For example, this one, green and orange. You're going to align it up with the bottom part of it with its color, and then you're going to turn it. So this one is going to have to go right here. So you're going to do L, U, L prime, U, L prime, U prime, L, U prime, L. And there's the piece we just saw up there. Now let's find another one. Here we go. Red, green. So I'll line the red up, and it's on the left side again, and it needs to go here. So L prime, U, L prime, U, L prime, U prime, L, U prime, L. There it is. Another one, here we go. Blue, orange, so line it up with the blue. And this piece needs to come on the right, from the right side this time. So you line it up with the blue, and we're gonna put it right here. So R prime, U prime, R prime, U prime, R prime, U, R, U, R. There it is. Now, alright, in this case, if you just have it backwards, and it's, or in any case, if whether it's your last piece that you need to get or not, just put, doesn't really matter, put any of them, whether it's yellow or not, into this spot. So R prime, U prime, R prime, U prime, R prime, U, R, U, R. And there's that piece. So align it with the blue, and this red piece needs to come in here. So L prime, U, L prime, U, L prime, U prime, L, U, L. And there it is. Now we have the white side with 2 layers of each color. So in this case, when you have the line of yellow, you're going to do F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime, F. And now you have that. So here. Alright, hang on a second. In this case, if you have the little L right here, you're going to do a double layer turn, which you move 2 of them. So small f, R, U, R prime, U prime, small f prime. And then you're going to get the yellow cross. In this case, when you have if you did not have the L and you don't have the straight line, which is unlikely, just do the first algorithm followed by the second. So small f r u r prime u prime small f prime, and now you'll either get the straight line or the little l, and you can just solve it from there. Now sorry, hang on a second. Now you're gonna get, if you end up with this, the plus, you're gonna find a yellow sticker and you're gonna put it on this side of you, and then apply the following algorithm: r u r prime u r u2 r prime, and now you'll get one of the corners with the cross. So once you get that, you're going to turn it so that the corner is on the left side, and you're going to apply the same algorithm. So r u r prime u r u2 r prime, and now you have the white 2 layers and the yellow side. Now what you're going to look for is headlights. Headlights are where you have the same 2 colors here in the corners. So green, orange, no. Blue, green, no. Orange, blue, no. Red, red, here we go. So you're going to turn it until you get to something like this, where you have the headlights. Like, it'll look like that. Those are both red, if you can't really see that. So if you didn't find any headlights, then just hold it in any way you want and apply the same algorithm. So, but if you did, then put the headlights in the back and do this algorithm: r prime f r prime b2. If you didn't see that, the yellow side's here, and you're going to do b2 r f prime r prime b2 r2, and now you'll have headlights on every side. So just move them over so that you have them like this, where you have everything solved except for these. Now, if you get lucky, then you'll have a side already solved with the, including the yellow and white. You'll have one of these sides solved too. But if you don't, then apply this algorithm: r u prime r u r u r u prime r prime u prime r2. Now you'll have one of the sides solved. I have red, you might have a different color. So now you have to solve, now you only have these 3 left. So put the solve side in the back and do the same algorithm. So r u prime r u r u r u prime r prime u prime r2. Now it's solved. Well, thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, just leave them in the comment box. Alright, thanks, bye.